Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, trip computer, bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.